Good morning, guys. Today we will understand what do you mean by string in Java. Let's understand the concept string in Java. Okay. So what is the string? String. Let's define a string in Java. For example, there is a string like string name equal to Rohit. So here we have name as the variable and Rohit is the liberal. Okay, and string is the data type. So string is a which type of data type? It's a non-primitive data type. String is a non-primitive data type, which is a combination. You can see it is a combination of different characters like R, O, H, right? So string is a non-primitive data type, which is a combination of different characters or bunch of characters. Okay. So let me ask you a question. Is it a string? String ch equal to a, is it a string or not? Correct. So it is also a string if you define the character by using a single quote, but a string using double quote. Okay, so this is a character and this is a string. So that's the major difference, how you define a string and a character. Okay, this is syntax in Java. Now I'll ask you one more question. Mm. So we understand the definition of string. Definition: non-primitive data type. Okay, string is a non-primitive data type. We can't change the value of string. Value of string, that is string follows final. Okay, so what do you mean by final? If I define a string, then we will not be able to change the value. Okay, we have to create a new keyword. I'll explain you guys just a minute. Now we have this is a Java, right? So here we have memories where we give the name to the string. For example, when I'll just add the text here. So I'll write here string name equal to Rohit. Okay. Now the memory will be allocated to this string. Okay, this place. Now when I create another string with the same liberal, right? For example, if I create a string name2 equal to Rohit, so what happens? It will not create another name2 variable or another space in a, okay, another space in this memory. It will redirect to Rohit to this existing string only, because the liberals, that value of liberals is same. Okay, so that is the thing. I hope you are getting right. So I'll just explain you once again. Now if I want to allocate a separate memory, then I have to use the new keyword in the string. So that is we can't change the value of string, right? So if I define a string, we can't change the value of the string. That's why the string are called as input immutable. That is, the value cannot be changed. Mutable means the value can be changed. So let's add one more definition. String are immutable, right? So these are the keywords you must remember. So let's understand why is string immutable in Java. Okay, when you create a string, it will occupy a space in the memory, right? And when you create another string with the same name, it will redirect to that place only. Okay, that memory only. Now if I create a string with a new variable, string, let us say str equal to new string. So what is happening here, it is creating another string. If I name str equal to Rohit, so what happen, it will assign the value to string. Okay, it will assign a value str equal to string to this variable, but as we have used a new keyword, so the memory will be created. So I'll just write a new memory allocation will be given, though the parameter is same. So this is the another location, the memory location has been created. Okay, so I hope you are getting. It will create a new memory instance variable, new instance variable, new memory in the new address in the memory. Okay, sorry for the disturbance, guys. So let's understand more about it. So we have, now we will try to write a program or understand the different functionality of the strings. So I have created a Java class named string methods. Now I'll ask the user to give the inputs, string input. Okay, string scanner, uh, scanner equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, I'll just input in. I'll just add import the Java util file. Java dot util dot start. Okay, now the scanner function is written. Now I'll just take the input from the user, string input equal to, let's say, with the help of scanner class, scanner dot next. Okay, now I'll just enter here, ask user to enter a string. Now so user will enter a string and it will get stored in the input. Now what are the different methods that we can use or the run or what are the different function available in string. You click on this string now, you can see that string is a class. Okay, string is a class. String class represent the character strings. All the strings literally in Java programs such as ABC are implemented as instance of this class. Strings are constants, their values cannot be changed after they are created. String buffer supports mutable strings. Okay, there is another concept called string buffers, string builder. We will understand it later, but as of now just understand what do you mean by string. Because string objects are immutable, they can be shared. Okay, string str equal to abc is equivalent to char data, string str equal to new string data. Okay, so what is happening here, they are equivalent. Okay, so string is nothing but a class in Java. Okay, so all the properties of class are get followed by string, right? You can see the string is written in capital. Now let's understand how to get the length of a string. Char. So we will use the function input. Let's say the integer length of string, length string equal to input dot. So you can see the different option, but we will write length. Okay, so this will give the length of the string. Just I'll put length of a string. Okay, this will give me the output length of string. So I'll just run this current program. Now it's running. I'll just enter my name, the name of the, so total 9. Okay, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so total 9 is the length of the string. Okay, so it doesn't, it means it gives you the different, what is the number of character present in your string. Okay, now if you want to convert to uppercase. Okay, so let's say you have to convert to uppercase. So I'll just create another string, say upper c equal to the input string. So we are performing the operation on the current string only, to upper case. Okay, so this will just give me the output in the uppercase. So I'll just print uppercase. Okay, now I'll enter all the letters in small. Let's say y o u t u v e. Okay, so it has given me the character length of string. Okay, it has given me the output into uppercase. Okay, then the next function is equals. Okay, if I want to check whether the string 1 is equal to string 2. Okay, now what I'll do, I use, it will give me the output in the boolean format. So I'll just define a boolean b equal to the string is, our first string is input, right? So input dot equals, let's say we have to compare it with upper c, right? Now I'll print system dot on println true or false. That's all we are going to print b. Now I'll enter a value. Let's say I enter it capital IUTUB. Okay, now it should give me the answer as true. Why? I'll explain. Because I have entered value YouTube in uppercase only, right? its input from user, right? So I have entered the value in the uppercase only, and I have converted the uppercase into uppercase and stored it, you know, to in upper C. Okay, stores uppercase of user entered value. Okay. Then I have just check whether they are equal. Yes, they are equal. Why? Because YouTube and YouTube are similar, right? Okay. I hope you are getting my now. Now I'll just show you how I get false. Okay, I'll just enter something. For example, I enter YouTube. Okay. Now it will give me the false because here the output will be, the input will be small YouTube. Okay, that is in lowercase, but the upper character will be capital input. So I'll just run the program. It will give me false because it is comparing small YouTube to capital YouTube. But if I want to ignore the uppercase and lowercase, then I'll do it like this. Let's say boolean b equal to input dot equal tQuals ignore case. Okay, I'll just write here uppercase and just run the program. So b is already defined. I'll just write b2. So guys, now I'll enter y-o-u-b. Okay. Oh my god. Even sorry, I have not printed the output, right? So that's why b2. Let's write b2. So we'll understand what is the output of what. b1 statement, b2 statement. Right, b1. Okay. Okay, you can see it has ignored the cases. Ignore case and compare two strings. Now, so we'll write a new. We'll check next function. What do you mean by next method? What do you mean by in the next class? Okay, we will understand in the next class what is the different other function like substring. Okay, we have substring, then we have trim, then we have concatenation, then splitting of strings, then we have charAt, then we have trim. Okay, then we have last index of, then contains. So different functions, different methods of strings are available, so we'll understand them one by one. Okay, thank you guys for today.